Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to secure your crypto tapswap code. Firstly, download and install the tapswap app on your device and sign up for an account. One of the most important steps to securing your crypto on any platform, including tapswap, is to enable 2FA, which is two-factor authentication. Go to your settings and find the option to set up 2FA. You can use an app like Google Authenticator or Authy to generate secure codes that you'll need to log in to your account. Keep the tapswap app and any associated software up to date. Security vulnerabilities can be patched with updates, so make sure you're using the latest version of tapswap. By following these steps, you can significantly increase the security of your crypto assets while using tapswap. Always be vigilant and prioritize security in every step of your crypto journey. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.